Hello children. So we have come to type 4 questions of our website. This is using area rule. Okay. This may be new to many kids, right? And some schools they don't teach sine, cos and area rule. They say it is advanced trigonometry, but it is one of the easiest thing to learn. So my suggestion is you learn this. It will always help you in your solving a trigonometric questions. Okay. So I will first explain what the rule is before we proceed and doing the questions. Okay. Triangle's area, half is half base into height. That's what we have learned in all these classes. So let me draw a triangle, and this time it's not a right angle triangle, it is a scalene triangle. None of the angles is 90, right? So A, B and C. If I ask you area, many kids will tell me half of base times height, right? This is what we have learned. So here the base is C and the height is H, correct? This is what we have learned. But what if they have not given you which is base, which is height? Nothing they have given. They have only given you two sides and one of the angles, right? How do we do that? So let's learn those kind of questions. Now they have given you a triangle with only two sides, but they have given you this angle theta, the angle between the two sides. If you have two given sides and the angle, then area of this triangle is given by a very simple formula. Area is half A B sine theta. Using this formula, you can always calculate the area of the triangle. You don't need its base, you don't need its height. What you need two sides and the angle between them. Okay. So let's do questions on this. We have two triangles here. The first triangle, the angle is 66 and the two sides is 36, 13 and 7. So I will not use this side. I will use only 13 and 7 to find the area because the angle is between 13 and 7. So what do I write? Area of this triangle, area equals to half. A is 13, B is 7 and sine of 66, sine 66 degrees. So it is 0.5 times 13 times 7 times sine 66, 41.57, 41.57 centimeters square. Isn't it interesting? No half base height. Directly you have two sides and the angle between them and you are able to find the area, right? Now let's do for this. Here we have two sides but we don't have the angle here. We need the angle between two sides, but other two angles are given, right? So what should be the third angle? 180 minus sum of these two, because all three angles of a triangle is 180, you all know that, right? So 53 plus 31, so it is 180 minus 53 minus 31, it is 96. This angle is how much? 96 degrees. And for finding area, we need two sides and the angle between them. We have the two sides, 16.9. So its area is half of 6.9 times 10.7 times sine of 96. Let's calculate. .71 meter square. You have to be careful about the units. Here it was centimeter, so area is centimeter square. Here the dimensions were in meters, so it should be in meter square. So that's your answer. Isn't it the easiest thing to know? Let's try for this. Here it is reverse. They have given you the angle, they have given you sides which is not known, but they said that it is isosceles triangle and they have given you the area. So if we apply our area formula, area will be half x times x sine 112, right? Area they have given already 80. So we'll write 80 equals to x square by 2 sine 112. Therefore x square equals to 2 times 80 by sine 112. Therefore, x will be equal to root of this 2 times 80 divided by sine 112. Solve this and you will get a dimension of the triangle. Correct? So, let us do that. 2 times 80 divided by sine 13.14. So, each of the sides is 13.14 and this is also 13.14. Then only area will be 80 centimeters square. What? Centimeters, right? It is centimeters. Don't forget to write the units, otherwise you will lose a mark for not writing the units. Okay. Now this one. AB is diameter, right? So radius r. We have to show that area of this triangle is equal to area of the other triangle, right? How can we show that? This is radius, the radius. So isn't it isosceles triangle? These two angles will be same, right? And this is also radius. So I will write this as x, this as x. The angles will be same. Remember, right? In isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, these angles will also be equal. And why? Because both are radius, so ACO is isosceles triangle or OCA. So OC will be equal to OA. Therefore, these angles is also equal. I have written that angles is x. Okay. Now, these two triangles, this COB is also isosceles triangle because the two sides are radius. So let this angle be y and this angle be y. Okay. Because if this is y, again same rule, in isosceles triangle both angles will be equal, right? So what is the angle inside this one? It is 180 minus 2x and this is 180 minus 2y. Correct? 180 minus 2x and 180 minus 2y. Now look at this. I will draw this triangle outside. This is COA. This angle is 180 minus 2x and okay, and this is r, this is r. Radius, no? OA is r and OC is r. Can you find the area of this triangle? Area equals to half r times sine of 180 minus 2r. So it is r square by 2, 180 minus 2r is nothing but sine of 2r. Sine of 2r. Okay. 180 minus sine of 180 minus theta is sine theta. Okay. Now let us look at this part. Now we have a triangle here. This is also r and this is 180 minus 2y. Okay. Right? Before I proceed there, I will try to give you a relation. See, look at this complete angle, this whole angle. Right? It is 180 minus 2x plus 180 minus 2y is equal to 180 because it's a straight line. Can we find relation between x and y? Yes, it is possible. So 180, 360 minus 2x minus 2y equals to 180. Get these things here. So, and get this thing here. 180 equals to 2 times x plus y. Therefore, x plus y is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, y equals to 90 minus x. Okay, y is 90 minus x. So here if I apply this one, area half r square sine of 180 minus 2y is half r square sine of 2y, right? But y is 90 minus x. So in this way I will apply that. Half r square sine of 2 times 90 minus x. So what do you get? Are you not getting sine 180 minus 2x? Right? So finally what you get? Half r square sine 2x. Now look at this. Area of this triangle, the left triangle, and area of right triangle. Both expressions are same. So hence we prove that area of both triangles are same. Okay. If you want detailed working, you can see in the mark scheme I have kept there. This question is from our exercise only. You can go through that. Step by step I have shown. Okay. In this video also I hope you would have understood. Now another kind of question. Here they are asking us to prove something, right? Actually this is sine rule. These kind of questions also are following after this in the next type of questions. But we are making, actually it is a proof of sine rule. From area rule we can prove sine rule. Okay. Find the area of triangle using angle A. Now this is angle A. So area triangle ABC using angle A is half. If I have to use A, I will have to use C and B. So B into C into sine A. Okay. B into C into sine A. And this is our expression. And now area triangle ABC, I have to use which angle? C. So I will use two sides, A and B. A times B times sine C. Correct? So both are area of the same triangle. Once I was using A, the other time I am using C. So first A and B is done. Now we have to show this. See, both are areas of the same triangle. So this expression is equal to the next expression. So let's write it. Half BC sine A, BC sine A equals to half AB sine C. AB sine C. Okay. Clear up to here? Now cancel half half. Cancel BB. Therefore we have C sine A equals to A sine C. Can I bring this A and C there? Therefore sine A by A equals to sine C by C. And you have your proof which they wanted you to prove. And this is sine rule. Using this also a lot of questions can be solved. We'll be doing in next type of questions. But as of now, my request is pause videos and do it yourself. With this, we come to end of the area rule questions. Keep practicing from our website. Thanks.